Germany phone numbers. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about German phone numbers. Let's start with the basics of German phone numbers. German phone numbers have a specific format. Typically, they include the country code, area code, and the local number. Area codes in Germany are essential to identify different regions. When calling a German landline, you need to dial the area code followed by the local number. For mobile phones, you use the mobile code instead of the area code. For international calls to Germany, you need to dial your country's exit code, followed by Germany's country code, and then the area code and local number. Thank you for watching our guide on German phone numbers. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more informative videos. Call Mama, connecting people with loved ones.